Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and how you guys doing today? Welcome to my channel and welcome back. Hope everyone is doing well. I happened to go out of town this weekend, and so while I was out of town, I decided to stop past one of the Joanns that was out of town and just see what they had, and they had a nice sale going on. So I will show you what I got, and everything I got was on sale, so that was good. And these were 30% off, so these were like 99 cents. I paid 69 cents. These just the berry beads. So I got 2 in white. Probably should have got a little bit more. And 2 in the colors of the berry beads. Should have got some more though. And then I got these. And again, these were 30% off. These are just assorted hearts. And these is in the children's section. So they've got those like marbling effect in them. These were 30% off as well too, and these just a small faceted beads. So these are great for the end of, you know, a charm or something. And these were some more assorted beads. So I got those. And again, yeah, everything like I said was on sale. And these were some food charms, and this 12 pieces in here. So some popcorn, hamburgers, and pizza. And I guess that was a cake. Piece of cake. And then I also got the 10-piece assorted charms, and these are cupcakes and ice cream and donuts. And then they had, these were I think 40% off, and this is a pack of 75 made with love charms. So you know, always nice to have those added on. And then the these Hildy and Joe, these were on sale as well. And these were some sunflowers, and that was a 12-pack. And then I just got some beads, and they had 4 strings for $10, which I thought was decent. So I did get these in sort of a soft coral or blush color, more like a blush. Excuse me, not coral. And I got these cameos. These are the spacers in silver. I have them in gold and like a bronzy color, but I didn't have them in the silver. And then I got some more of the spacers, the iridescent kind of color. I got these big plastic beads right here. I thought they were cute, and I meant to get the smaller ones. I thought I had them, but I probably fell out my cart. And then I got these silver ones, and then I got these clear ones. Sorry about the lighting. And then it's got this little black and silver strand. And this like beige and gold strand. This turquoise strand. You know, I had to get a red strand. I mean, just had to do it. And another kind of bluish turquoise strand. And that is what I got. So from Joann's. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.